Time on Mars isn't just a little different. It's actually dangerous. Let's break down why. You see, here on Earth, a sunset is just beautiful, but on Mars, it's a critical scientific tool.
So you see mission controllers with two clocks, right? That's not just for show, it's a lifeline.
Engineers have a joke for it: planetary jet lag. But trust me, the science is brutally precise.
That's the length of one Martian day, or a sol. That little difference has a huge, grinding impact.
So every single day, the schedule for teams back on Earth slips. It turns body clocks upside down.
But a longer day is just one piece of the puzzle. The other part comes from Albert Einstein.
Basically, Einstein figured out time itself flows differently on Mars due to its gravity and speed.
So it's really important to get this. These are two totally separate problems. One is rotation, one is relativity.
Now, this relativity effect is absolutely microscopic. From one moment to the next, you wouldn't feel a thing.
But over a long mission, that tiny difference builds up and becomes, well, everything.
If you ignore that drift, your navigation goes way off, and that means you miss the landing zone.
So all of a sudden, time itself becomes just another hazard, like radiation or a dust storm. So how in the world do you solve this? It's a massive challenge for both engineering and psychology. Well, space agencies are already on it. They're creating Martian clocks and baking corrections into software.
And for the astronauts, survival is going to come down to incredibly strict routines, like these. This quote really just nails it. Time becomes a resource you have to manage, just like fuel.
Okay, so solving this for short missions is one thing, but what happens when we actually live there? I mean, just imagine a future where the basic rhythm of life is just different depending on your planet.
So this really isn't an engineering problem anymore. It's a fundamental question about humanity's future.